Imagine a treasure hunt where there is no map at all. You only get one clue card. That card hides a small prize, and it whispers exactly where the next card is hidden. Could a single chain of clues really lead you all the way to the gold? So picture one clue card up close. It has two halves. The top half holds your prize, the treasure for right now. The bottom half holds an arrow, a direction telling you where to run next. In computer land, we call this little two-part card a node. Now that we know one card, let's link a few together. Card 1 points to card 2. Card 2 points to card 3. Each arrow grabs the next card by the hand. Follow the arrows in order and you get a chain, a tidy line of treasures, one after another. But how do you know where to begin? Every hunt needs a starting point. We call the very first card the head. The head is the only card you remember by heart. As long as you hold the head, you can reach every treasure after it. So how do you know when the hunt is over? The final card is called the tail, and its arrow points to nothing at all. That empty arrow is the computer's way of saying stop, the chain ends here. No more clues, you have found everything. Remember, you only hold the head. So to find a treasure in the middle, you must walk. Start at the head, read it, follow its arrow, read the next, and keep going. This step-by-step stroll through every card has a name. We call it traversal. Now imagine you find a brand new treasure to add in the middle. You don't shove every card over. You just rewire two arrows. The card before points its arrow to the newcomer, and the newcomer points to the card that used to be next. Snap, it's in. Taking a card out is just as easy. So instead of cutting and gluing the whole line, the card before simply points its arrow past the unwanted one, straight to the card after. The skipped card floats away, forgotten. The chain stays whole, just a little shorter. But why bother with arrows? Couldn't we just use a numbered shelf where every box sits in a fixed slot? That's called an array. It's neat, but to squeeze a new box into the middle, you must shove every single box over. With clue cards, you simply rewire. So linked lists win at inserting. But there's a catch. On the numbered shelf, you can grab box 10 instantly. With clue cards, there is no jumping. To reach the 10th treasure, you must walk through 9 cards first. Convenience for editing, patience for finding. Now here's a clever upgrade. What if each card had 2 arrows, one pointing forward and one pointing back? Then you could walk the hunt in either direction, forward to the treasure or backward to the start. We call this a doubly linked list. Twice the arrows, twice the freedom. So what if the hunt never ended? Take the tail's empty arrow and instead point it right back to the head. Now the chain forms a loop, a never-ending ring. This is a circular linked list, perfect for things that repeat round and round forever. So where does this hide in real life? Every time you tap undo, your app walks backward through a chain of past actions. Your music playlist links song to song. Even browser history is a chain of pages. Linked lists quietly power the things you use every day. So step back and see the whole idea. A linked list is just treasures joined by arrows, free to grow, shrink, and rearrange without ever moving the whole line. The secret was never the boxes. The real magic was always the arrows quietly connecting one card to the next. So remember, a node holds a treasure and an arrow. The head starts the hunt, the tail ends it. Follow arrows to traverse, rewire arrows to add or remove. And arrows can point forward, backward, or even in a loop. That's the whole chain of clues.